Good morning. So today I'm off to the Hunter Valley, and the Hunter Valley, if you don't know, it's a really nice wine region in New South Wales, Australia, and it's probably about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours north of Sydney, kind of northwest. So I live about an hour and a half north of Sydney, but on the coast. So for me, it takes about an hour to drive there, out kind of still a bit northwest, out to the country, and they have a lot of really nice wineries, and they grow a lot of they grow a lot of grapes to create the wines, and they're very well known for lots of red wines and white wines. And there's a lot of really nice restaurants. So my dad and I are going up there today, not really for, not just to go to lunch, but we've got some family up there. We haven't seen them for a while, so we're going to go up today and see them and have lunch, and I am excited. But before that, I'm going to have my coffee and I'm going to do a bit of a workout.
My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. They made me believe love's an open door.
So I've done my super quick workout. I didn't get much time, so I just did a bit of a yoga, kind of some stretching, and then did a couple of weights and stuff, but I'll do a proper workout this afternoon. I'm thinking I'm just going to wear this t-shirt and with these jeans that are kind of, it's really hard to see. Yeah, with those jeans that are kind of ripped and light. It's not like I was going to wear, not a hoodie, but like a sweater, whatever I guess you'd call it. But it's supposed to be like 23 degrees Celsius today. It's supposed to be like, it's not actually going to be very cold. So I almost even considered wearing shorts, but I'll wear the ripped jeans, this shirt, and I'm thinking of wearing this green kind of bomber jacket. Just with that, I probably won't really wear it much, but just in case it gets a bit cooler or a breeze comes up or something. But yeah, that's about it. I'm going to wear that and my white shoes that I seem to just love at the moment. So let's pop those on. Dad's coming in about 10 minutes to pick me up, and yeah, I will see you on the road.
Beginning, then they shut it pretty quickly. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. Love ain't what it seems, it's dark and cruel and mean. When you're with me, you're with me, you're with me. I'ma show you bad, yeah, I'ma show you bad.
Alright, I am back. So it is about, 6:30 now, and it has been a really big day. So Dad drove me to the Hunter, and we both went to a nice restaurant. So we caught up with some family that we haven't seen for a while, and as I said, I didn't really include too much because I haven't seen them for a while, and I don't like to come along and just surprise people bringing the camera. But no, we had a nice day. It was really good. It was a lovely day as well. So we stopped by at our family's house, and then we went to this place called Goldfish for lunch. So it's at a place called Roche Estate in the Hunter Valley, specifically in Polboken, and it was really nice. So it was kind of just a modern Australian food. So it was very much a share plate based restaurant, and it was really nice. I had a couple of sparkling white wines, which were really nice, and we shared some, like a meze plate, which had some olives and some hummus, this really nice tomato chutney, and it was like mashed up green peas with feta, which was really nice too. And we all shared a pizza. It was like a slow cooked lamb pizza, which was so good. We also had some Tasmanian scallops and some kingfish ceviche, which was so good. So yeah, I'm so tired now, honestly. Daylight savings, again, it's 6:30, it's dark outside. Had a great day. It was a great drive, but there's a bit of traffic on the way home. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoy this quick little video of my day in the Hunter. And yeah, see you next time.
When you're